Hello everyone, welcome to vigowebs. In this video, we are going to see about Emmet. Emmet is a web developer toolkit to speed up your HTML and CSS workflow. Emmet is one of my favorite built-in features in VS Code. It is also available as extension for other code editor also. You can download it from this link. With Emmet, you can quickly create an HTML boilerplate in the blink of an eye by using exclamatory and press enter. To create the HTML tag, just type the tag name and press enter. Div enter. For P enter. For section, while typing, Emmet has pop-up as for suggestion. Okay. H1. And also for instead of button, we can just type btn. And for black code, BQ. For header, HTR. Footer, FTR. And for the IDs, H2 hash ID. For classes, Emmet uses the same way what we use in CSS. Div dot wrapper. Section dot name. And also we can use multiple classes in it. For example, section dot header dot dark. Now we are combining ID and class. Section has hero dot wrapper. Using this, we can create ID and class. I'll give you another example. Footer has footer dot copyright dot center. In this footer element, we are creating ID and class copyright and center. For attribute img, here it create an attribute is source and alt text. For img, you can select source set, means it create source alt text and source set attributes. And also we can create custom attribute also. Here td, have to give it in bracket, row span equal to 2 space, call span equal to 3 and title. Using this custom attribute of row span 2, call span 3 and title empty. Now to include the content within the tag, footer have to use curly bracket. In this bracket we can type copyright reserved to vigowebs here, and give another example. A subscribe me. Siblings. To specify siblings, we can use plus sign. For example, section plus div plus p. We'll create section div and para tags. In the same, for to specify the child, you can use greater than symbol. New greater than ul greater than li. It will create new ul li. For climb up the element, we can use caret symbol. U P span plus em. Here I am using caret symbol VQ. By using this block code, from here to it came here. In the other way, we can use div plus div greater than P greater than span plus em. Here we can use caret symbol 2 times, then BQ. By using this block code, climbed up 2 levels. I'll give another example. Div header ul li and a plus footer p. In this Emmet, we are getting output like this. If your structure is very complex, you may want to group tags instead of traversing by climbing. In this example, I will create a header and footer without climbing using parentheses. Here this is. Here I am using this. Here we got the correct structure. Here I will give another example. ul li. We got one li inside the another list. If we want a number of li, for example, if we want 5 li's, we have to use asterisk symbol for multiplication. Here ul li multiplication symbol 5. We will get 5 li under the ul. Then if we want to numbering the li items, have to use ul li dot item. For class, have to use dollar symbol into 5. Here we got the li with class name item 1 2 3 4 5. In the same example, ul li dot item. Here instead of using here I am using $3 symbol into 5. Here we got the number into 3 digits. If we want to reverse this number, for this we have to use li dot item using $$ at minus asterisk 5. Here we got 5 4 3 2 1. In the same thing, if we want to specify the list item start from particular number, for this we have to use li dot item $$ at 3 into 5. Here the item starts from 3, and to reverse this number order we have to use here minus. You can use minus. We will use 3 4 5 6 7 in the reverse order. I'll give another example. H dollar title equal to item dollar, now bracket header $int3. Here we got h1, h2, h3 with the class name item1, item2, item3 with the content. And in Emmet, some of the tags that do not need to be typed and that can be implemented. For example, div.wrapper. Here, instead of using div, we can directly type wrapper or wrapper.dark. Title equal to some title. Okay. And another example, em span dot dark. Here emphasis span that class dark. Instead we can use em greater than dark. No need to type for span. We can get em span with class dark. Then another one is li. Instead of typing li dot item into 3, instead of we can type as ul greater than dot item into 3. We can get the same result. One more example, table dot row dot call. Here we no need to add tr and td under the table. Lorem generator. Lorem is a dummy text used by developer to represent data on a page. To generate a lorem, we have to just type lorem, enter. If you want specify the number of words for lorem 10 or lorem 5 or lorem 100. If you want a lorem in a repeated element, we have to type p into 3 greater than lorem, specify the word count 20. Here we got 3 paragraph of lorem 20 words. ul dot list greater than dot item $$ into 5 greater than lorem 5. Here we got ul li class item 01 with lorem 5 words. And for the here, for example, for getting script, type script, we can get the script. For adding CSS style, we can get the style. Now I will show how to use Emmet in CSS. Position. For position, type POS, enter. By default it will be position relative. For POS semicolon A, we can get position absolute. POS semicolon F for fixed. For the same thing, position start S for static. And give another thing, display. For the display block, it will show the some pop-up suggestion we can select from it actually. For display none, D:(n). you can get display none. For the same thing, D:B display block. For inline block, D:IB, D:IF. And for the color, just we can type C, enter. By default color will be black. If we want to add color, for C as CCC, we can get the gray color. OP for opacity. For width, just type W, and if you want to put value 10 pixel. If you want to change the unit, W 10 ph. Same will implement for height, max height, max width, for everything. For font, you can use FW for font weight, and font family FF. By default font family will be serif. If you want to change any other, FF:C for cursive. For adding important, just space if you got the important. Then some of the other emmets are font space at import at keyframe. In CSS, Emmet as an abbreviation for every properties. Here I used some of the most important one. To see the full list, refer to the Emmet cheat sheet which I have shared in the below description. That's all about this video. If you want similar kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.